So the first set you're going to do is the push-ups. You see, the normal push-up is as important as you do other push-ups. Do not clear your elbows. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. You will do 10 reps of this exercise and switch to another. The second exercise is the pull-up. Simple, normal pull-up. When you go up, breathe in. When you come down, breathe out. Simple push-up. Another exercise is the chest press. Breathe in, breathe out. Lower the bar as it is. Lift the bar up. Okay, you will do 10 reps. Now another exercise is T-bar rows. You see, you do not need any fancy equipment to do T-bar rows. All you need is something to attach your bar to. Okay, a cloth so that you do not damage the floor. Okay, see, that's how you make the T-bar. Simple. Okay, you wanna do it, hold your barbell like this and simply do it like this. Lock your body and lift, drop, lift and drop. Okay, you will do 10 reps. Breathe in when you lift up, breathe out when you. Another exercise is kettlebell Hanuman batter. If you do not have a kettlebell, you can pick a dumbbell up. Okay, if you don't know how to do Hanuman batter, you can check our channel. Okay, this leg upward and this fully sit, this heel to the ground. Okay, simply like this. Do not jump, do not do it like this. Okay, come fully, take a pause, then come. Do 20 reps, 10 of each leg. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Now another exercise is the T-bar biceps curl. You see, this is not for an beginner. A beginner will do mistakes in this. You will lock this portion and lock from here to here. Just lift the barbell up and down. You see, I am not doing like this or this. Simply this and this. You will do 10 reps from this hand, then switch to another and do 10 reps from this hand. If you will lift your elbow, you will engage other muscles, but we have to train the biceps. So breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Another exercise is T-bar triceps kickback. You see, again, this is not for an beginner person. You will do it like this. So kick back just from a T-bar. Okay, do 10 reps from this hand, switch to another, do 10 reps. Again, do not lift your elbow like or shoulder from here to there. Just lock this portion. Straight it. Breathe in, breathe out. Do 10 reps of this, switch to another. Another exercise is the T-bar squats. You see, there is a lot of use of this T-bar once you settle it. Okay, lock it and fully straight. Fully down, fully straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Fully sit, fully up. Okay, do 10 reps of this. Use heavy weight or medium weight, switch to another. Another exercise is hammer throws. You see, all of the gyms have a tire and a hammer. Okay, so you simply gonna lift it and throw. See, you do 10 reps of this exercise, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Another exercise is the stepping lunges. Okay, stepping lunges, forward, breathe in, breathe out. Keep your back straight, do not touch it. Okay. Use a medium and heavy weight. You do 20 reps, 10 for each leg. Simply count 20. Breathe in, breathe. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Another exercise is the T-bar lateral raises. You see, you do shoulder raises like this. You will do it from T-bar. Simply come in a hip hinge position, lift your barbell and adjust your body and slowly lift, angle. You see, like this. Do 10 reps from this hand, then switch to another hand and 10 reps. Again, the hip hinge position. Do not do it like this. Do it like this. Adjust your body and simply breathe in, angle, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Sweating. Again, back to over T-bar row. You are doing the shrugs. Okay, straighten up your body. Do not do it like this. Straight it up like this. Chest up, back straight, leg straight. Okay. Okay, if you feel it light, you can add more weight. Okay, because it's medium and heavy. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Again, back to our T-bar row. You are going to do simple shrugs. Okay, adjust your body, slightly lean forward and you see like this. Because if you will stay straight, it will have more load on your hand and not on your legs. Okay, so slightly lean forward, but body you should keep straight like this. Like you do in a machine. Slowly, slow and controlled form. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. You will do 20 reps of this. Take a 2-minute break, switch to it. Now, our last exercise, the 14th set is of Ram Murti Dand. If you do not know how to do Ram Murti Dand, you can check our 15 types of Dand playlist. Okay. Okay, you will do 10 reps of this and then you are done.